Greetings everyone, Fru here, welcome to the Demo Hub. In today's demo, we're going to take a look at Snowflake Projection Policies. This is a powerful capability within Snowflake to protect sensitive data, maintaining fidelity, but still allowing for getting analytical value out of your data for the folks with the right privileges and the right access to that data. Extremely powerful from a governance perspective. Now, to follow along, as always, links to all of this will be in the description below. You can follow step by step to recreate this entire demo. Now, the data model needed for this would be the sales DB data model. All the scripts are provided. If you haven't worked with this model before, just copy all the scripts, get that into a worksheet. This will get the environment set up for everything needed to follow along. Assuming you have this all set up, let's jump in with the exercise. The syntax to create a projection policy is extremely straightforward. Just copy over the script, make sure we use the right database schema, and we'll create or replace a projection policy, create two objects. Our projections have been created. These are just objects that are created. Obviously, we want to take those projections and assign them to particular columns. Next, take a look at this customer table here. Preview that. You see there is a first name, last name, there's email. This could be very dangerous, seeing your email addresses for your customers based on your governance requirements. In this case, we don't want to see email addresses. That's too sensitive. We don't want to see a home address. That's potentially too sensitive. We want to hide this from our projections. Alter table, modify column, set a projection policy. Then that becomes the name of the policy created from above. Do the same too for buyer's table. Now, email column within the customer table has a projection policy set on it. Assuming I come in with this role as account admin, query this particular table, returning all the columns. Select star from there. What do you get? You get an issue. The following columns are restricted because of a projection policy. Please remove those columns from the list and you get your results back. If I do the same with buyer, it does complain. It tells me the two columns which had the projection policies are included in my results, so it wouldn't give me the results back. Now, watch what happens. Snowflake has the exclude column capability. Select every column from that table except the ones with projection policy, and this should give me results back. As long as you're not including the projection in your result or in your select statement, you do get your results back. The same thing for the buyers, which we had two projection policies set on that. Now, if you remember, we do also have roles. I think the role I used in here was sales manager. Switch from my role to sales manager. Sales manager was used as part of my projection policies. They should have more elevated privileges. Sales manager querying this data should be able to see the records, but account admin, which wasn't part of the logic in the projection policies, the results weren't coming back. So it's enforced even in Snowside as well. As illustrated here, if you try to view the projection policies on a table where it's been set, obviously you shouldn't see that. There you have it, Snowflake projection policies in action. Hopefully this was helpful and illuminating. As always, jump into the tutorial, links again in the description below. Try it out. The use cases could get really complex. We've tried a very simplified illustrative use case here, but very curious to hear what your use cases are, what your take on this is. As always, jump into the comment section below, share your thoughts, share your questions, share your comments, and we'll see what we can do. Thanks for watching and sticking with us to the end. I'll see you in the next demo.